The moment you align yourself with the understanding that every desire you hold is a seed planted within you by the divine, you begin to grasp a new truth about life. You see, life is not something happening to you, it is something happening through you. Your desires, your wishes, and your deepest longings are not random, they are divine impulses. These are gifts from God, planted within your consciousness so that you may manifest them into reality. But here's the key: receiving the gift from God is not simply about having a wish. It is about nurturing it, tending to it as if it were a living, growing thing, and bringing it into full bloom. When you first recognize a desire, it's like recognizing a spark of light. This light is the promise of fulfillment, but it requires your belief and your faith to grow. The entire process begins with your imagination. You see, imagination is not just a tool, it is the very fabric of creation. It is through imagination that God speaks to you, showing you the reality that is possible for you to experience. When you imagine something with clarity and feeling, you are effectively saying, "This is my reality," and the universe, in its perfect order, begins to arrange circumstances to bring that reality into form. But it's not enough to simply imagine. You must live from the wish fulfilled. What does this mean? It means that you must feel, right now, as though your desire is already a reality. You must walk through your days with the joy, the confidence, and the certainty that your wish has already come true. This is not about pretending or forcing anything. It is about a quiet inner knowing, a faith so deep that nothing can shake it. The feeling is the key because feelings are the language of the subconscious mind. When you feel something deeply, your subconscious accepts it as truth, and from there, the external world must reflect it. Imagine yourself receiving a gift. When someone gives you a gift, you do not question whether you deserve it, whether it will arrive, or whether it is real. You accept it with gratitude, joy, and trust. This is the same approach you must take with your desires. Accept them as gifts from God, knowing that they are already yours. The moment you do this, you have received the gift, and it is only a matter of time before it materializes in your life. But you must not waver. Doubt is the thief of dreams. The moment you allow doubt to creep in, you cut off the flow of creation. You must stand firm in your belief, even when external circumstances seem to suggest otherwise. Note, the outer world is simply a reflection of your inner world. If you hold doubt within, doubt will manifest around you. If you hold faith, faith will be reflected in every part of your life. Patience is part of this process. When you plant a seed, you do not dig it up every day to see if it is growing. You trust that beneath the surface, things are happening that you cannot yet see. The same is true for your desires. Once you have planted the seed through your imagination and feeling, you must trust that the universe is working in ways unseen to bring it to fruition. Your job is to remain faithful, to keep your inner state aligned with the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Now, many people think that they must act, that they must do something to make their desire come to pass. But this is where many go wrong. Action is not the cause of manifestation, it is the result. When you are aligned with your desire, when you are living from the wish fulfilled, the right actions will come naturally. You will find yourself moved by an inner impulse, a quiet guidance that leads you effortlessly to the next step. You will know when to act, and the actions you take will be inspired and effortless, not forced or strained. It's important to note that you are not separate from the divine. The same creative power that shaped the universe resides within you. When you align with this power, there is nothing that you cannot bring into being. But alignment requires more than just positive thinking, it requires a deep, unwavering belief in the power of your own consciousness. You must understand that you are the creator of your reality, and that nothing happens by chance. Every event, every encounter, every experience is a reflection of your inner state. This brings us to the concept of gratitude. Gratitude is not just an emotion, it is a state of being. When you are truly grateful, you are acknowledging the abundance that already exists in your life. Gratitude opens the door to more blessings, because it shifts your focus from lack to abundance. And where your focus goes, energy flows. When you live in a state of gratitude, you are constantly attracting more of what you are grateful for. So, even before your desire has fully materialized, give thanks as if it already has. This simple practice will accelerate the manifestation process, because it aligns you with the feeling of already having what you desire. There may be times when doubt arises, when fear tries to take hold. This is natural. But note, fear is only the absence of faith. You have the power to choose which you will give your attention to. When fear arises, do not fight it or push it away. Instead, gently turn your attention back to the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Remind yourself that everything is unfolding perfectly, even if you cannot see the full picture yet. Faith is trusting in the unseen, knowing that the universe is always working for your highest good. In this journey of creation, persistence is key. There will be moments when the external world does not seem to reflect your inner desires. In these moments, you must persist in your belief, knowing that the external world is always a step behind the inner world. Keep your focus on what you desire, and let go of how or when it will happen. The how and when are not your concern, they are in the hands of a higher power. Your only job is to maintain the feeling of the wish fulfilled, and to trust that everything is working in your favor. As you move forward, keep this truth in your heart. Nurture your desires with love, faith, and imagination. Trust in the process, knowing that everything is unfolding in divine timing. And most importantly, live each day as if your wish has already been granted. Because in the eyes of the divine, it has. You are a powerful creator, and the life you desire is already yours. Now, it is simply a matter of receiving the gift, and allowing it to unfold in your reality. Creation follows a divine order, and while you play a crucial role in shaping your reality, there are forces beyond your control that work on your behalf. Trusting these forces is key. Surrender allows you to step into a state of flow, where you are receptive to the guidance and inspiration that will lead you toward the fulfillment of your desire. It's in this state that miracles occur, unexpected opportunities, chance encounters, and seemingly random events all converge to bring your wish to life. However, surrender does not mean that you are inactive. On the contrary, it often involves an active openness to possibilities and opportunities. Your role in the process is to remain vigilant and aware of the signs that the universe sends your way. Sometimes, it will be a quiet whisper in your mind, a nudge in your heart, or a deep knowing that urges you to take action. And when this happens, act without hesitation, for it is in these moments that you are co-creating with the divine. These are the opportunities for you to move in alignment with your wish. Many people struggle with impatience, wanting their desires to manifest immediately. But impatience stems from a belief in lack, a belief that what you want is not yet here. When you are truly aligned with the wish fulfilled, impatience dissolves because you know, with certainty, that your desire is already yours. The timing is not up to you, it is up to the universe, which always operates in perfect timing. So, release the need for urgency, and instead, rest in the knowing that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. At times, the path to manifestation may not unfold the way you expect. Detours may appear, challenges may arise, and it may seem as though you are moving in the opposite direction of your desire. But these moments are not setbacks, they are part of the process. Often, the challenges you face are necessary to shape you into the person who can receive the full manifestation of your desire. Trust that even in these moments, the universe is working in your favor. What may seem like a delay or a detour is often a redirection towards something even greater than you originally imagined. Now, as we come to a close, let's take a moment to appreciate the gift that has been revealed to you. You are not a passive observer of your life, you are the creator of your reality. The desires you hold are sacred, given to you for a reason. The steps you take from here will shape your experience, and you have everything you need to bring your wish into reality. Before we wrap up, I want to thank you for being part of this transformative process. You've received something invaluable, the understanding of your own power to create and manifest. Now, as we part ways, I invite you to stay connected to this wisdom and continue applying these principles in your daily life. The more you practice, the more effortless it will become to receive and create the life you desire. If this message resonated with you, please take a moment to like this video. Your support allows this message to reach more people who need it, and it lets me know that this content is valuable to you. Secondly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Another way to show your support is by sharing this video with someone you think could benefit from it. The more we spread these powerful truths, the more we uplift others. If you found this content helpful, leave a comment below to share your thoughts or ask any questions you might have. Your engagement keeps this conversation going and creates a space for deeper understanding. And lastly, to ensure that you don't miss out on future videos, click the notification bell after you subscribe. That way, every time new content is available, you'll be the first to know. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to continuing this journey with you. Your ability to manifest your desires is already within you. Let's continue to explore it together.